Wow, Michael, the beach looks beautiful today. The sun is shining and the sky is clear.
Yes, Emily, it's a perfect day for the beach. I'm happy we came early.
I can hear the waves already. It sounds so relaxing.
Me too. The water looks calm and blue.
Did you bring the beach bag with the snacks?
Yes, I have it here. I also brought a towel for each of us.
Look at all the colorful umbrellas. The beach is lively.
Yes, but we can find a quiet spot near the water.
I hope there's enough sand to build a nice sandcastle.
Definitely. The sand looks soft and clean.
I forgot my sunglasses. Can I borrow yours for a moment?
Of course. Here they are.
The sun feels warm on my skin. I like this weather.
Me too. It's not too hot yet. Perfect for a morning walk.
Do you see those kids playing with a ball? They look happy.
Yes, it's fun to watch. I remember playing like that too.
I think we should take some pictures first. The view is amazing.
Good idea. I'll take a few with my phone.
I feel relaxed already. Just standing here is nice.
Yes, the sea breeze is refreshing.
Look at the waves near the shore. They are small and gentle.
Perfect for walking along the water.
I'm excited to set up our spot. Let's find a good place.
I see a nice area close to the water but not crowded.
Great. We can put our towels there.
Yes, and I'll open the umbrella for shade.
I love the smell of the sea. It's so fresh.
Me too. It makes me feel calm and happy.
Are you ready to start the day at the beach?
Absolutely. Let's enjoy every moment.
I think today will be so much fun.
I agree. It's a perfect beach day.
Let's walk closer to the water before setting up.
Good idea. We can feel the sand on our feet.
I love these first moments on the beach.
Me too. It feels like a little holiday already.
Okay, let's put our things down and start relaxing.
Yes, I'll set the towels and you can help with the umbrella.
This spot looks perfect. The sand is soft here.
Yes, and it's close enough to the water. We can hear the waves.
I'll spread my cowl here. It feels warm from the sun.
I'll open the umbrella. It will give us some shade.
Can you help me with the corners? The towel is moving in the wind.
Sure. Hold this side while I fix the other.
The umbrella is tall enough. It will cover us well.
Yes, it's stable. I made sure to put it deep in the sand.
I like the pattern on this umbrella. The colors are bright.
It looks nice against the blue sky. Very cheerful.
The sand is a little hot under my feet.
Be careful. The sun can warm it quickly in the morning.
I'll put the beach bag here next to the towel.
Good. I'll place the cooler near the umbrella.
Did you bring the sunscreen? I want to apply some.
Yes, here it is. Don't forget your face and arms.
I feel comfortable now. Everything is set up nicely.
Great. Now we can relax without worrying about wind or sun.
I see some seashells nearby. They are small and pretty.
Let's collect a few later. They make a nice memory.
Do you want to sit down for a moment before playing in the sand?
Yes, I'll take a little rest. The sun feels warm but pleasant.
I like how quiet it is here. Not many people around.
It's peaceful. We can enjoy the beach without interruptions.
I think we should drink some water. It's important to stay hydrated.
Good idea. I'll open a bottle from the cooler.
The wind is soft. It feels nice on my skin.
Yes, it's gentle. Perfect weather for a beach day.
I want to take a photo with the umbrella. The light is perfect.
Okay, I'll take it. You look great in the sunlight.
Should we put our shoes aside for now? Sand is better barefoot.
Yes, I'll take mine off. It feels good on the sand.
Everything is ready. We can start our day at the beach.
Excellent. I'm excited to enjoy the sun, sand, and sea.
I love this moment. Setting up the spot is always fun.
Me too. It's a nice start before we do other activities.
Let's relax a little before we play with sand or walk by the water.
Agreed. We can enjoy the sun and the view first.
I feel happy already. This beach is amazing.
Yes, it's exactly what I needed today.
I'll sit down and enjoy the sun for a moment.
I'll join you after I check the umbrella one more time.
Everything looks perfect now. We can relax safely.
Yes, it's all ready. Now the fun part can begin.
I love organizing everything before starting the day.
Me too. It makes the day more enjoyable.
Look at the sand. It's perfect for building a castle.
Yes, it's soft and easy to shape. Let's make it big.
I'll start with the walls. Can you make a tower?
Sure. I'll use this bucket to make a round tower.
The sand sticks well. It's easy to build shapes.
I see. We can add small seashells on top as decorations.
This tower is taller than I expected.
Great! We can add another small wall around it.
I like using this little spade. It's helpful.
Yes, and the bucket works well for making circles.
The castle is almost ready. I want to make a flag with the stick.
That's a good idea. I found a small stick near the water.
Can we make a small moat around the castle?
Sure, I'll dig carefully with my hands.
Look at these tiny shells. They're perfect for decorating.
Yes, we can place them on top of the walls.
This is so much fun. I didn't know sand could be so creative.
Me too. It's relaxing and playful at the same time.
Should we make a second, smaller castle next to it?
Yes, we can make a small village near the big one.
I like the pattern of the wet sand. It's darker and shiny.
True. It helps the castle stay strong and stable.
The water is close. We need to be careful not to wash it away.
Don't worry. We can make a small wall as protection.
I'll add some shells along the moat. It will look nice.
Great idea. I'll help you place them evenly.
I want to make a small bridge over the moat.
That's interesting. I'll help shape it with sand.
Our castle looks amazing. I'm proud of it.
Yes, it's really nice. We did a great job together.
I feel happy. Playing in the sand is so relaxing.
Me too. It's a good break from everything else.
Shall we take a photo of our sandcastle?
Yes, I'll take one now. It will be a good memory.
I like how the sunlight shines on our castle.
It makes it look magical. The shadows are soft and pretty.
I can't wait to show this to my friends.
They will love it. It's very creative.
Let's play a little more before we walk to the water.
Good idea. We can finish the small details first.
The castle looks strong. I think it will stay a while.
Yes, we built it carefully. The walls are solid.
I'm glad we spent time together on this.
Me too. It's a fun memory for today.
Okay, I think the sandcastle is complete.
Yes, it's perfect. Let's move toward the water next.
The water feels cool on my feet. I like walking here.
Yes, the sand is soft and wet. It's nice to feel the waves.
Look at the small fish near the shore. They are swimming fast.
I see them. The water is very clear today.
Can we walk a little further along the beach?
Sure. The path is safe and it looks peaceful.
I love the sound of the waves. It's very calming.
Me too. It makes me feel relaxed and happy.
Do you want to collect some small shells?
Yes, they are pretty. I can find a few for us.
Look at that bird flying near the water. It's beautiful.
Yes, it's a seagull. They are always around beaches.
I like holding your hand while we walk.
Me too. It feels nice and close.
The water sparkles in the sunlight. It looks magical.
Yes, the reflection is amazing. I love this view.
Shall we take off our shoes and walk in the water?
Good idea. The sand and water feel good on bare feet.
The water is gentle. I can step safely.
Yes, it's perfect for walking slowly and enjoying the beach.
I see some small crabs near the rocks. They move quickly.
Let's watch them for a moment. They are very interesting.
I feel relaxed. The beach is so peaceful here.
Me too. Walking by the water is very refreshing.
The sun is warm, but the breeze cools me down.
Yes, it's comfortable. I like this soft wind.
I want to take a few pictures while we walk.
Sure, I'll help you. The light is perfect now.
Look at the footprints we left in the sand.
They will disappear soon with the waves, but it's fun to see them now.
The water touches my toes again. It feels nice.
Yes, it's soft and gentle. I could stay here a long time.
I love these moments at the beach. They make me happy.
Me too. Walking together is very relaxing.
Let's go a little further and then sit near the water.
Good plan. We can enjoy the view while resting.
The clouds in the sky are moving slowly.
Yes, it's beautiful. The colors are soft and light.
I feel calm and peaceful now.
Me too. This walk is perfect for the afternoon.
Should we take a short break and sit on the sand?
Yes, let's sit and watch the waves for a while.
The beach is so big. I like walking along it.
Me too. It feels open and free here.
I think I could stay here for hours.
Yes, it's very relaxing. I enjoy every moment.
Let's rest for a few minutes and then see the sunset.
Good idea. It will be beautiful to watch.
I'm happy we came to the beach today.
Me too. It's a wonderful afternoon together.
Look at the sky, Michael. The colors are amazing.
Yes, Emily. The pink and orange mix is beautiful.
I love how the sun is slowly going down.
Me too. It feels peaceful and calm.
Let's sit on this blanket and watch the sunset.
Good idea. It's comfortable and close to the water.
The waves are small now, and the beach is quiet.
Yes, the sound is soft and relaxing. I like it.
Can you see the reflection of the sun on the water?
Wow, it looks like gold on the waves. Very pretty.
I feel happy sitting here with you.
Me too. The moment feels very special.
The air is cooler now, but it's pleasant.
Yes, I like the soft breeze. It feels nice on my skin.
Look at the seagulls flying above. They seem so free.
Yes, it's wonderful to watch them. They move gracefully.
I brought some snacks. Do you want some?
Sure, a little snack will be nice while we watch.
I like how quiet it is. There's almost no one around.
Yes, we have this part of the beach to ourselves.
The colors of the sky are changing slowly.
Yes, the sun is lower now. The horizon looks amazing.
I feel calm. Watching the sunset is relaxing.
Me too. It's a perfect way to end the day.
Let's take a few pictures. We can remember this moment.
Good idea. The colors and light are perfect for photos.
I feel grateful for today. We had so much fun.
Me too. The beach day was perfect.
I like the sound of the waves as the sun sets.
Yes, it's soft and peaceful. It makes me feel relaxed.
Shall we make a small sand circle for the sunset view?
Sure, we can sit here comfortably and enjoy.
I love how the sun slowly disappears behind the water.
It's magical. The colors fade softly into the evening.
I feel lucky to be here with you.
Me too. It's a wonderful memory for us.
The sky looks like a painting now.
Yes, it's beautiful. Nature is amazing.
Let's sit quietly for a few more minutes.
Agreed. I want to enjoy this moment fully.
I think the sun is almost gone now.
Yes, the horizon is glowing softly.
I feel peaceful. Today was a very good day.
Me too. I will remember this forever.
The sand feels cooler now and the breeze is soft.
Yes, it's perfect for sitting and relaxing.
I'm happy we spent the whole day at the beach.
Me too. It was a wonderful day together.
The sunset is over. It's time to pack our things.
Yes, let's fold the blanket and take our bags.
I can't wait to come back to the beach again.
Me too. Another day like this would be amazing.